name is Samuel Chavukulu and I'm a storekeeper at YSF for Steel and Tube. So one day I was at work, I'm exhausted and I need a drink to energize myself. I ordered for a Predator and after drinking, I sent the code which is under the cup. Day 2, I had another drink. On day 3, I had a similar incident. I was still thirsty and I was at work. I ordered for drinks and I received a message that I've entered the weekly draw to win a Bajaj from Predator or a trip to London to watch Chelsea play. After entering the weekly draw, I got a call from Douglas Lwanga telling that I've won a Bajaj. They sent me transport to come and pick the motorcycle and I've received it. This thing is really serious and it is legit, it is real. All Predator Energy fans, keep drinking and keep sending the code to 6688.